because it's a cadaveric course where you get hands-on, and also you've got all the experts from around the world here. So my expectation is to actually increase my knowledge and my hands-on skills. And I think it's a wonderful forum. I just met a friend from the US, he's originally from Cameroon, and I know you get to network with, so there's only positives here.
We have amazing faculty, industrial partners help us to do this amazing atmosphere. Everybody's learning so much. Lab trainings and theoretical trainings and case discussions. Very much looking forward to the day, and also for tomorrow is a 2-day course.
We have first-class faculty. We have best possible equipment for the futuristic approach of minimally invasive endospinal approaches on the thoracic level. It is big fun, and we're making big progress today.
So I think the center has a very good location, easy to get to. Facilities are very high tech. The personnel around the whole facilities are very professional, very nice to talk to as well. And the course was very well organized. The ratio between participants and faculty was 2-to-1, which was perfect. We made the most out of the experience being here, and really enjoyed it. So thank you.
So today I learned to fly. I learned that, like in every high-performing profession, let it be pilots or athletes, you have to visualize the whole situation before you're even doing it. So in your head, you mentally have to go through the different steps, and that was like eye-opening to me. So yeah, I'm amazed by this course.